I'm Bronwyn Lay from the Climate Justice Support Unit at the Federation of Community Legal Centres Victoria. Climate change harms ecosystems, communities and individuals across the world. As global greenhouse gas emissions rise, so does the range, intensity and frequency of climate events. Community legal centres are independent not-for-profit organisations that provide free legal advice, casework and advocacy to people in their communities. They are instrumental in providing and ensuring that everybody has access to justice. Since their beginnings more than 50 years ago, community legal centres have worked with communities impacted by extreme weather. In recent years, community legal centres across Australia have stepped up to respond to rising climate justice needs. Climate justice promotes just solutions to the challenges of climate change by ensuring that individuals and communities who are affected by climate harms have access to the resources and the support they need. Climate justice recognises the connection between social justice and climate change and focuses on how the most marginalised communities are disproportionately affected by climate change. That's why, in 2025, more than half of Victoria's 50 community legal centres are working on climate justice and disaster projects and initiatives. The Climate Justice Field Guide for Community Legal Centres is the culmination of the lived experience of Victorian community legal centres and the communities they work with as they embed climate justice into practice. Filled with tools, case studies, resources, explanations and practical information, it provides guidance to those working in or with community legal centres on how to ensure their centres are resilient and build their capabilities to support their communities to adapt and respond to climate change. Community legal centres are uniquely placed to advance climate justice. Embedded in communities, they have witnessed the many ways that climate change affects access to justice and are working hard to ensure communities' legal, social and financial justice needs are met in a climate change world. The Field Guide is designed to help anybody at any stage of their climate justice journey, help them understand and react to climate change, as well as ensure that climate justice can be accessed by all.